Soso and Gracie Adventures.
Alright girls, what do we have here?
Crazy creators.
Crazy Creators. Got this from Sam's Club. It looks like a putty thing. Let me look at it. Alright. You got these little things in here that you can put into these putties. What's up here?
That's the cuddle. That's the
Oh,
stuff.
the glitter? Which one do you guys want?
I'm taking I already take this one.
Which one is that? Let me see.
This one is the
This one has like a fish in it. That's cute. Okay.
I'm gonna do
Hold on. These are glow in the dark, I think.
no, this is glitter.
Well, this one's glow in the dark, I think. Hold on, let me see something here. These are all different colors. Before we put these in, Gracie, which one of these do you want?
I already picked them.
Oh, let me see yours. Oh, nice. That's rainbow. Very cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side for now.
Can we open it? I'm just gonna open it.
You got? Hey, not your teeth. Come on. All right, so they finally got it open. Let me see what it looks like. Put it down. What does it look like? Ooh, it's just squishy. Oh my god.
It's not coming out. Not coming out. Daddy, can we get the cuddle?
Here, let's put these in first.
No, the cuddle's supposed to go in first.
Oh, okay. What color are you guys looking for?
I'm looking for purple. You can mix it together. I want
Okay, you got.
blue
Which color you want?
I want yellow and blue.
Oh, you gonna make green? And how about you, Sophie?
I'm
Blue and purple?
Yeah, I'm gonna do blue.
Okay, hold on. Let me help you guys. All right, look, we got our colors. Gracie wanted neon and blue. Sophie wanted blue and red. Okay, let's put it in. Let's mix it.
These fours.
Yeah, put it in.
I'm gonna mix it.
Just do it like Sissy. Put it in there. Oh my god.
Is it working?
Let me see. Oh yeah, it's working. How about yours? Oh my god.
Gracie's always turning green.
And yours turning purple.
Look, it's so cool.
Make it closer. Oh my god. How about yours? Oh, I
How's
like
this-
yours. Yours
how's-
is pretty. Let me see that.
Mine is cool too.
I think you need some more bright color. You want some bright color in yours?
In the dark.
Yeah, yours is a little dark.
Yo, Gracie made teal. That's teal.
Oh, let me see, Gracie. Hold it up.
It's teal, not green.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, let me see yours. Hold it up. Oh, I like your color. Your color is pretty. It looks like an ocean. Let's see this. Is it getting better? A little bit.
Oh, Nick, it has a yellow.
Oh, it has a little streak in it.
That's so cool. Now I'm gonna put my stuff on. I'm gonna only put a little bit.
Put it here, Gracie, so it doesn't fall everywhere.
This bag is
You got,
small.
yeah, that's a lot of stuff. You want just for a little bit? Maybe you can mix it later. Take a little bit that. Maybe you can get a different decoration.
I like this one. It's so cute.
Oh, it matches. Let me see yours. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, be careful.
I closed it.
Just pour some in there, Gracie.
I wanna get some rainbow. Daddy, can I have some bunnies? Daddy, can you
Something
have
like
some
your face.
bunnies? Can I look at the eyeballs?
Okay. Is this one you guys are done?
I wanna add some flowers. Sophie, Daddy, take your Thinking Putty.
I like it.
put it out in the bucket so it doesn't get stuck in the bottom. Like this. And then push it.
What else you putting in there?
Let me just put some oils. Yeah. Give me this.
Guys, that's enough popping. We'll save these for later, okay? I'll put these away.
Yeah, thank you. Look how cool mine looks like.
Let me see.
I'm starting to mix mine up.
Oh my god.
I'm starting to mix mine.
What's in there?
Candy, flowers, I can't tell. Wait, I'm gonna add some animals. I forgot.
Hold on, we'll do that in a little bit. Let me see Gracie's. Make sure it's full. Yours full.
Gracie, you wanna switch and see? You wanna play with mine? Woo! Give me my bag!
You know what else? You know what we missed, girls?
Yes.
I'm gonna give it to you guys. Give me 1 second.
I know we
Alright, you missed something. I think you guys missing a sparkle one. One for you. With a little sparkle, it will make it sparkle. Hold on. And then you guys are also missing some glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. Let's see if it goes in the dark. Ooh, it does. Look. Ooh,
Give me that one. Give
I
me.
like it. I like it.
How can we mix it?
Oh yeah.
Can we mix? When is it was switchy?
Is it glittering? Or no? Does it look like it has glitter?
Yeah, I see glitter.
Oh.
Give me the melty pops. Why is the table is looking?
Oh, we were washing it. Is it glowing? No? Maybe I'll test it out later. How was it? You guys like it? We're gonna make more later?
Can I get the animals with the pandas and the bunnies? I forgot to add that. Me too.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
a little
got
bit.
two.
Share it.
I got the bunny
You
and
want to put a little bunny? Let me see what you put in there, bunny. Oh, okay, good. They got a little frog here. You missed it. You guys have fun? Oh, you guys like this toy?
This is the best toy in my life.
Your best toy in your life?
Even the Betsy I just got.
Really? What do you guys say?
Bye bye. See you later.
See you later.
Like and subscribe.
I'm glad you guys liked it. Look at that. Let me see it one more time. Whoa. Whoa.
Soso and Gracie Adventures. Soso and Gracie Adventures. Soso and Gracie Adventures. Soso and Gracie Adventures.